Hi, I'm Oliver, the CEO of Swytch. In this video, I'm going to show you the key steps for fitting the Swytch kit to your bike, covering both the Air and the Go power packs. So step 1, open the box. Inside the box is everything you need, including the motor wheel, magnet disc, pedal sensor, charger, an optional LED display, and for the Air kit, a mount and Air power pack. For the Go kit, a cable harness and Go power pack. Step 1, remove your front wheel. And then attach your tyre to the new Swytch motor wheel. Then take the motor wheel and fit it into your forks. The magnet disc clips apart so you can clip it back together again by the pedals. The pedal sensor can then be stuck in place via an adhesive strip and then secured with the cable ties provided. Fitting the Swytch Go power pack to the frame couldn't be simpler. Simply undo the straps, hold the power pack to the frame, then simply tighten the straps around the frame. Finally, just plug in the cable harness, the other end of which connects to the motor and the pedal sensor. So now simply start pedaling and the power kicks in. If you have the Swytch Air kit, then take the handlebar mount and fit it to the handlebars. Then tighten with an Allen key. Finally, take your pocket-sized battery, click it into the mount, and then simply start pedaling and the power kicks in. If you choose the optional LED display, it will allow you to see battery level and adjust your power level and access basic settings. If you choose the advanced OLED display, as well as battery and power level, you'll also be able to see speed and distance travelled and access the advanced settings area.